Alright, so the last one cut off, but here we go. This is pretty much right where the last one took off, so I'll just name this like part 2 or something. But yeah, pretty much got everything going. I just hit OK because it was asking me if there was a USB with the 8.3 update, so I hit OK. So now we're waiting to see what happens, because it could just tell me that it's not on there and I'm gonna have to reinstall it onto a different one, which looks like what's gonna happen. Yep. Okay. So what happens is this should turn off. We'll just wait for this to turn off. Why is that all zoomed in like that? Okay. Jeez. Alright, so with that over, we're going to unplug it, plug it back into here. Give me 2 seconds, I'm going to plug it back in and then hopefully have everything up and going. Update. We'll just go ahead and get rid of that, delete. Alright, so I'm deleting the other file and currently updating, or putting the other one over there. So I'll get back to the screen here in a second after everything has surfaced. Alright, so copy with the big one. I'll show you guys here in a second. Sorry for the black screen, I really do apologize. This one is gonna be shit if I do say so myself. But alright, we're gonna hit paste. Alright, this is the big one. This is the big update. My kid in the background. Oof, yeah, this is gonna take a second. This is like a big one. But we got everything up and ready. So that's fun. Copying takes a second. I can't believe I screwed up the controller. It doesn't look bad, but like, I mean, I definitely could have done way better. Right. Left things unpaid. And dropped one of the buttons down the fucking sink. Long story. But this is almost halfway done. So as soon as this gets complete, it should be up and going and this PS4 should be fixed. Which I'm actually supposed to get rid of it today to somebody, so that's the reason why I need to hurry up and get this done. But I was like, you know what, I could probably create like a quick 10-minute video on this and maybe see. But from what I found out, no, it does not work if you just try to update the small update file on a corrupted hard drive. I don't even know if the hard drive is corrupted, because if it is, then I'm going to have to go into the other room, grab a spare hard drive that I have laying around, completely format it, get everything up and going, get the PlayStation going, hit up my friend to come pick this PlayStation up off of me. I only spent, I think, 80, 90 bucks in total on this thing. I'm about to sell it to him for 200. Well, I told him 250, but I'm thinking about being generous today, if you feel me. I'm gonna probably just tell him 200. And yeah, hopefully this shit will get up and going, and hopefully this hard drive is not faulty, because if it is faulty, I'm gonna have to go get one from the back, plug it in, see if it'll work. Alright, so file's done. Just go ahead, bloop, plug that bad bitch in there. Hey shorty, how you doing? Alright, now we go over here. Now all of this shit works, bro. Oh, it showed. The room is messy. For real. Jesus Christ, it takes a second, doesn't it? Oh, that's waiting. I made it slow, like through here because the shortcut's kind of botchy. And I most definitely don't really feel like opening up Steam, although I am an offline mode. I don't think it hurts. Alright. Jesus Christ, this is taking a second, isn't it? Steam might actually load before this is done. You're so adorable. Yeah, okay. So this loaded before Steam could load. Okay. Alright, yes. Not bad. It's going through decently, alright. A lot faster than the last hard drive, man. I mean, Jesus Christ, the last one I had took like almost a whole day. I don't even want to talk about it. Although I shouldn't speak too soon, this shit could slow down like drastically in the next screen. Ooh, wait, look at that. Oh, uh-oh. The 99% 5-minute download wait. Oh, uh-oh. Something's going on. See, look at that. Completely dead, up and running with ease, flawless. Matter of like, what, 12, 15 minutes? So, there you have it. You can't use the small update file to try to save anything on an old hard drive. I just tried it. The only way that you can possibly get an old hard drive up and going again is if you reinstall the reinstallation file. And also would like to mention, if the hard drive you got like won't reinstall the file, or it goes into a loop right after the update file has begun, and you won't be able to see that on the screen, like you won't get to this screen, well, that means you have a faulty hard drive, my friend, and more than likely you're probably gonna have to spend, I hate to say it, I hate to say it, but $20. I know it's a lot, but you probably have to spend $20 to $10 to pick up a new hard drive, unless you're going through Amazon or eBay. Then it might be like 20 to 30. But other than that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today.